Here we will discuss PMP. What is the meaning of the PMP? PMP means Project Management Professionals. This credential is the most important industry recognized certification for project managers. Globally recognized and demanded, the PMP demonstrates that you have the experience, education, and competency to lead and direct the projects. Now the next question is how will get the PMP certificates? There is a PMI, Project Management Institute, is the world's leading not for profit professional membership association for the project, program, and portfolio management profession. Founded in 1969, this PMI, Project Management Institute, will give you PMP certificate. You will get more information from www.pmi.org. Now the next question is what is PMP certification requirement? So we need a secondary degree, that is high school diploma or associated degree or the global equivalent, with at least 5 years of project management experience, with 7500 hours leading and directing project, and 35 hours of project management education. 5 At least this 5 years of project management experience, that is equivalent to the 75 hours each years, that is equal to the 1500 hours. So total 5 years experience is a 7500 hours. Now the second is the 35 hours of project management educations. These 35 hours of project management education you will get from the e-learning courses, you will get some regular PMP courses, and you will get this from the live online live classes. So these any institute where you will study project management for 35 hours, then you will get these 35 hours certificates. So you have other secondary degree with at least 5 years of project management experience plus 35 hours of the project management education, or a 4-year degree and at least 3 years of project management experience, that is the equivalent to the 4500 hours, and 35 hours of project management educations. So these 35 hours of project management, any institute where you will study this project management, you will get this 35 hours plus you have the 4-year degree and at least 3 years experience, that is equivalent to the 4500 hours. So this is the minimum requirement to attempt the PMP exam. Now we know that who will give you the certificate, what is the minimum requirement to appear in for PMP certification, but what are the benefits of the PMP? There are many PMP certificates benefits given on the internet, but from our point of view, the following benefits. The first and most important benefit is you can lead and direct the project systematically. That is very important for any project, so that project manager can lead the project very systematically. When you study any project management education, and if you are aware of the all the process of project management, and you have the knows the what are the good practices eh, for the any project management, that means you have the self confidence and enhance your knowledge. So this course, this certificate will give you the self confidence and enhance your knowledge. The other important thing is, when you have this PMP certificate, that company knows that you are aware of, well aware of the all the process, the project management. You have the skill, you have the education, so company can believe on you or buy in. So this is also a very important benefit of the PMP. The other benefit, because you are the aware of the process, you know the project, and company can believe, you have the self confidence. So because of the awareness of the all the process of the project management, that means whenever you execute the project, whenever you can lead or direct the project, that time you can use best industry practices. So these are the some of the benefits for the PMP certificates. On the internet you will get number of benefits. This is up to you, but from my point of view, from our point of view, these are the some benefits of PMP. Now, the what is the role of RN engineering? RN engineering conduct the live classes, that is on the internet, and the regular classes or a workshop at your premises, their at our premises. So you may feel best guidance from the instructor through the class. So so Aryan Engineering conducts live classes and regular classes. Now the next is Aryan Engineering conduct a e-learning classes. E-learning classes means it's a self-paced courses. Nowadays, in our busy life, we have time constraint. To solve the time constraint, we have the self-paced course. So you can study anywhere, anytime. Only you have to access to a computer and internet connection. Next is the mock test. These mock tests are available on our website. This is the almost the same type of questions that comes in the exams. So you can study from anywhere, any day, any time. You have access to computer and internet connection. Then what is the mock test? Why it is required? Many students fail if they have sufficient knowledge, often because they simply didn't know what to expect on the exam. Simulated PMP tests are incredible way to become a comfortable with the pace, subject matter and difficult of the real exam. Beside giving a way to validate your understanding of the concept of the PMP exam, a great score on the practice test can boost your confidence and ignite your enthusiasm. A great practice exam will mimic the time constraint of the real exam and provide detailed explanation and reference following each attempt. Now let us see how the exam, what is the duration of the exams. So our this PMP exam duration is 4 hours. How many number of questions in this to attempt in these exams? Total number of questions are 200. So you have a 200 questions, you have a 4 hours. That means in 240 minutes you have to attempt 200 questions. But in this out of these 200 questions, 175 questions are scored questions. That means every question have a marks that is only 175, and the unscored questions are 25. But these 25 questions is mixed with 175 questions, so you don't know in what are the questions doesn't have unscored questions. So in this case you have to attempt all the questions, and so that you will clear the exams, because out of this 200 questions 175 are the scored questions, and 25 is unscored questions, and that we don't know what are the scored and what are unscored. So this is the 4 hours duration, 200 questions, that means 240 minutes. Now the thing is, what is the fees for this exams? PMI may take the fees. If you are a member, then they will take $405. If you are non-member, then they will take 555. And now the question is, what is the membership fees? The membership fees is $150. So the anyway, if you first you become a member and then you have to pay 405, so total amount is 555. If you are non-member, then the amount is 555. So for attempting the exam, you have to pay 555. The benefit of the membership, you will get the free ebook of PMI, PM book with the latest edition, and these exams you can appear 3 times. The first time you can attempt, if you clear then it's okay, then this certificate is valid for next 3 years. If in case if you fail, then you will get another attempt and you will get another attempt, so 2 attempts you will get. And for this second and third attempt, every time you have to pay the fees as mentioned in the PMI websites. But if you will, in case if you fail in all 3 attempts, then you cannot appear next year, so you have to wait minimum 1 year gap. So my suggestion is, you will clear in the first attempt. That is the Aryan engineering aim, that every student will appear and get the certificate in first attempt. In the PM book, there are, in the project management there is 5 process group. One is the initiating the project, second is the planning the project and executing the project, monitoring and controlling the project, and closing the project. In the initiating the project, that is the first group, and the approximate 13% questions comes in this group. Second is the planning. In the planning process groups, you will get approximate 24% questions. Now the third question group is the executing. In the executing process groups, the questions comes are almost 30%. The next is the monitoring and controlling process group. Question is almost 25%. And the fifth group is the closing the project. The questions almost 8%. So this project management is divided into the five group: initiating, planning, executing, and monitoring and controlling, and the closing. From the first groups, that initiating group, that questions comes around almost 13%. In the planning group, 24%. Executing 30%. Monitoring and controlling is 25%, and closing is the 8%. Our contact detail is email is info@aryanengineering.com. You can also contact by Skype, that is Aryan-ENG, and you can also send through the message on WhatsApp. The number is 00918800318745. You can access our free mock test and webinar at www.aryanengineering.com. Click new user and create username and password. Select PMP simulator test that is free, and enjoy our courses. Please see more video regarding the PMP course or project management on our channel. You can also give your feedback through email, Skype, WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video.